Okay, so here are some tips for your pyramid. So keep in mind that for what we're learning, we've only been dealing with a square-based pyramid. So when you are drawing that, when you draw it, this part is going to look longer than this part because you've got to think like, I don't know what the artistic term is, but your mind visually makes that part that goes back longer, if that makes any sense. So the base will be here and the depth will be here, and those are going to be the same. And then remember, your height goes from the tip to the center of your pyramid. So be careful with that. The net of a pyramid looks like your square, because remember it is a square-based pyramid, with 4 identical triangles coming out of it. So it's going to look something like that. So where do you see the dimensions on it? Well, there's your base and there's your depth. Remember, those are the same, so make sure this middle part is a square. The height, this is where it gets tricky. So remember, this is your pyramid. The green line is your height. Remember when we learned about surface area, we learned that this blue line is called the slant height. Remember, that blue line is the height of the triangle. The green line is the height of the pyramid. Those are different. So when we look at the net, where is the height of the triangle? That's right there. That's right there. That's right there. That's right there. What do we call that? The height of the triangle, remember, is the slant height. So this part is actually the slant. This is where people make mistakes with their drawings. People label this blue part as the height of the pyramid. In reality, you do not see the height of the pyramid in the net. You will not label the height of the pyramid on your net. You have to picture a pencil or a pen coming straight out of the screen, right from that, I'm going to make it a different color, right from this green dot that I just have drawn on the screen. From the center of that green dot coming straight out of the screen towards your nose, if you're looking at the screen, that is the height of the pyramid. And it only occurs once you fold up those 4 triangles. So the 3D shape, the height of the pyramid will be labeled. The 2D shape, the height of the pyramid will not show up. What you will need to do is find the slant. Now remember, how do you find the slant? Well, let's go back to this 3D shape here. Remember, there is my right-angled triangle. There, there, and there. What are these measurements? Here's the height. Here's the slant. Now remember, what was this purple line? The purple line was half of the base. So be careful. It'll be base divided by 2 squared plus height squared. Okay, so be really careful with your pyramid and labeling the net. The height of the pyramid does not show up on your net, only the slant height.